Hey YouTube, it's Bailey here. This is my first beatboxing video with my face in it. I'm gonna be reacting to a video today. Let's see. So I'm just gonna be reacting to one of the most recent videos of Swissbeatbox right now. It's Grace Savage, Open Up. I'm just gonna start there, and then if I get a lot of attention on this, then I'll probably react to other videos as well. I mean, I've seen a lot of beatboxing videos already, but I have not seen this yet. So, yeah, let's just go right into the video. Yep. And if you guys do like this, can you please like and subscribe and share the video? Because I will be doing more of these in the future. So, and here we go.
You were a fruit, you would be passion. Nobody told you. Ooh, ooh. Speaking your mind like it goes out of fashion. Patience is a virtue. Ooh, ooh. You don't ask for much.
Yeah, so I've never seen her before or heard her.
I give my advice, but you take it in rations. Ain't nobody telling you. Ooh, ooh, ooh.
I don't think I ever really heard that sound she makes right there.
If you were a fruit, you would be passion. Nobody told you. Freaking your mind, like it pulls out of passion. Patience is a virtue. Let them see you cry now, no. Not gonna make you die, ow, ow. Gonna make me cry now, open up. Not gonna make you die, oh, for the love, 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 love. Oh, for the love, open up. Underneath the surface, underneath the surface, you're good, good. Underneath the surface, you're good enough for the love. Open up.
That sounds pretty cool.
For the love, open up.
She added some of that scratch in there.
Oh, for the love, open up. At the surface, you're good enough. For the love,
Hey,
open up.
we love beatbox, and yeah, I really like this one. This one's really good. New beatboxer in my library. Alright, and that's the end of the video. So overall, yeah, I really like that. I never heard of Grace Savage, that's her name. But go check out the original video on Swissbeatbox's channel. I'll leave it in the link. But But yeah, if you guys like this, just hit a like on the video, and then I will do some more reactions to this stuff. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time.